Hi everybody, Todd here, and this will probably be one of my shortest videos that I'll make. In 1975, my family and my dad was in media quite a bit, TV and film and radio, so he did a lot of stuff in that. He was invited to the opening of Space Mountain in 1975 to cover that, and we all went, and we had a blast. The cool thing about it, we sat in the very front row of the opening ceremony. And I was, in 1975, I was probably 8 or 9 back then, I think. So I was born in 66, so I was roughly 9. And but we were there at the opening ceremony of the show, and we're right in the front row, and actually captured me, my brother Sean, my brother Jeff, and my mom. I had no clue where my brother Chris and my dad were. They were probably in the media area interviewing certain people during that show. It was amazing. We were also there for the opening day of Disney World itself in 1971. I am in the process of looking up other background video. My brother had taken all these like 8mm films of us at Disney World during the ceremony and walking around, because we also went to the nighttime show there. If you ever watched the special on Space Mountain in 1975, we went to that, and I think there were a few actors there. I'll put the names here because right off the bat I can't remember who was there. I know it was Lucille Ball's daughter. She was there, and then a famous Broadway actor, singer, he was there as well. Real skinny guy. Tommy Tune. So it was Tommy Tune. He was there, and it was a blast. We went to that show, and we sat at one of the tables there, and I remember that show, and I remember, I think it was Lucy Arnaz, and she came up to me and did my cheek, grabbed my cheek like that during the show. It was hilarious, but they didn't capture that on the video. But we had a blast. So I just wanted to show you this little video here of my brothers and I at this, and I'll point ourselves out. It's kind of blurry because it was such a long time ago. You know, they didn't have the HD, but we're literally in the front row, and we were on the Wonderful World of Disney. It was really cool seeing that when you're a kid, when we were living in Florida. And then the famous line from Mickey Mouse, and one of my friends imitates it constantly. Space Mountain. So yeah, he's doing that. It's the first time you ever see him do that on stage, because it went from us sitting in the front row to Mickey actually saying that. So here it is.
Boys and girls, we proudly present Space Mountain.